Welcome back to another cocktail to cupcake transformation. Today, I'm going to show you how to create this decadent passion fruit cupcake inspired by a popular passion fruit martini. Elevate your cupcake game with smooth vanilla vodka, rich passion fruit curd, and luscious passion fruit caramel, all wrapped up into an unforgettable cupcake. Perfect as a special treat or a tropical treasure to share with friends, this passion fruit cupcake does not disappoint. In this video, you'll learn more about the cocktail and how to deconstruct the martini flavors to create your very own passion fruit cupcake. Be sure to stay until the end where I will be sharing the bonus passion fruit caramel recipe. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nerland and every week I bring you tips and tricks on how to create boozy cupcakes. If you are new here and you don't want to miss any videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll always know when I upload new videos. A martini is a classic cocktail often associated with style and sophistication and easily recognized by its iconic glass. The traditional martini is made with gin, vermouth, a dash of bitters, and garnished with an olive. But in the United States, the vodka martini has become the more popular version of the cocktail. Today, we're going to be talking about the passion fruit martini, which is a variation on the vodka martini. If you want to learn more about the classic martini, its history, variations, and how to order the perfect martini, be sure to check out my pumpkin ginger martini cupcakes video where I go into more detail. The cocktail inspiration for today's passion fruit martini, it's called the Maverick Martini, also known as Rockstar Martini and also known as Porn Star Martini. This cocktail was invented in 1999 by Douglas Ancra, a bar owner in London. It was originally named after a gentleman's club in Cape Town, but somehow along the way, it became known as the Porn Star Martini and ever since has become the most popular cocktail in the UK. The Maverick Martini is made with vanilla vodka, passoa, which is a passion fruit liqueur, and lime juice. It's mixed in a shaker with ice, served neat in a martini glass, and garnished with a floating passion fruit half. It's commonly served with a shot of Prosecco on the side. Here's a little known fact. A lot of cocktails with the word martini in their title have absolutely nothing to do with martini except for the glass that it's served in. Regardless, I'll never say no to a martini cocktail. What's your favorite martini cocktail? Let me know in the comments below and maybe I'll make a cupcake inspired by that cocktail. For those of you who may not be familiar with passion fruit is a round tropical fruit with a yellow or purple exterior. Inside is a sweet acidic pulp with small black seeds. A native of Brazil, it can be found in most tropical climates. The seeds and juice are used in many desserts and cocktails around the world. When buying passion fruit, be on the lookout for its other names such as maracuja, granadilla, parcha, and lilikoi. If you can't find the fresh fruit, other products are also available such as frozen pulp, puree, nectar, and juice. Deconstructing the Maverick Martini. The first ingredient is vanilla vodka. Vanilla vodka can be store-bought or you can make your own by steeping vanilla bean into vodka. To recreate this flavor in the cupcake, we'll be adding vodka and vanilla bean paste to the batter. The next ingredient is passoa. Passoa is a brand of passion fruit liqueur. If you can't find it at the store, you can always make your own by mixing passion fruit juice with simple syrup. Frozen pulp can be substituted for the fresh fruit, and that's what we'll be using in the curd for our cupcake filling and frosting. The final ingredient is lime juice. Lime juice provides acidity to balance out the sweetness of the passoa. This is, however, optional if using fresh fruit or frozen pulp because those tend to be quite tart. In this recipe, we will not be using the lime juice since we'll be using the passion fruit pulp. Now that we've identified all the components that we want to use for our cupcake, let's put it all together. This creation will be a vanilla bean cupcake filled with passion fruit curd and topped with passion fruit buttercream. I'll be drizzling some of the passion fruit caramel just to take it to the next level. The cupcake starts with my no-fuzz vanilla cupcakes recipe, to which we'll be adding the vanilla bean paste and vodka. The link to the full recipe will be in the description box below. The cupcakes are baked at 350 degrees for between 15 to 18 minutes and then cooled. The curd is made by cooking passion fruit pulp, egg yolks, and sugar until thickened. Then we add in the butter and set it aside to cool. We'll have to reserve a portion for the frosting. The frosting is a sweetened condensed milk buttercream and starts with beating butter until light. Cold sweetened condensed milk is then mixed in, and then the passion fruit curd, the vanilla bean paste, and the vodka. Continue whipping until the frosting is light and fluffy. For the assembly, we'll core the cupcakes and fill with passion fruit curd. Then we'll pipe the frosting and drizzle the passion fruit caramel on top. We'll serve with a glass of Prosecco on the side. As promised, here is the bonus passion fruit caramel recipe to finish off your cupcakes. Start by adding sugar and water in a saucepan and cooking until deep amber color. Turn down the heat and whisk in cream and passion fruit juice. Stir in butter and salt and continue simmering until thickened. Strain into a bowl and add your vanilla extract. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed watching today's cocktail to cupcake transformation. It helps out the channel and it allows other people to find the content on YouTube. As always, it was a pleasure hanging out with you today. Until next time, remember to eat and drink responsibly. Bye!